Hello guys and welcome to So Easy. Today we will be creating simple and very easy to create logo animation. Let's see how it looks. So you can see, it comes in nicely, like flipping pages, and looks good. Let's start by creating a new composition. We will make it in Full HD. Frame rate will be 29.97 seconds, for no specific reasons, and the duration will be 10 seconds. We will start by writing our text. Write any text you want, or you can also use your logo. Place it in the middle. I'm changing the color of my text to blue. This is also my final logo color. We will pre-compose the layer so that we can change the text anytime. Make sure this option is selected. Now we will apply CC Page Turn effect on it. Make sure that you are on the first frame. Change the controls to Classic UI. You can see the changes right away. We will add keyframe to the fold position and fold direction. And then, if you change the fold direction attributes, you can see the text folding upwards or downwards. So I want this to come from downwards. And if your effect is selected, you can see the control icon inside the composition. So I will pull this down because I want this to come from outside the screen. Go few seconds ahead and bring back the logo to its original position. Now if you select the layer and press U, you can see all the keyframes. We will add Easy Ease to it. We will add another effect on this layer. The name of the effect is Transform. And with this effect, we will play with scale and opacity. So on the first second, we will add keyframes to the scale and opacity, and animate them from 0 to 100. Press Shift Page down to go 10 frames ahead, and increase the value again to 100. And now we will offset the scaling keyframes by few frames. Add Easy Ease, and let's see what we have created till now. So this is the base of our animation, but if you see again, the Y just does not ends smoothly. So for that, we will select the keyframes and click the Graph Editor button. Make sure Edit Speed Graph is selected. With the help of Graph Editor, we will create the smooth landing of our text. If you see the graph properly, it starts fast and ends slowly. So let's see how it looks now. Now if you see, the Y ends smoothly in the way we want. So we are done with our animation. Now we have to duplicate the layer and offset them. So press Ctrl D 4 times. And if you press Page down, you will go 1 frame ahead. So I will press Page down 5 times and offset our layer to that particular time. We have to repeat this for the remaining layers. This is the manual way of offsetting the layers, but there are only 4 layers, so it does not take much time. So let's see how it looks. So it's looking fine. We are almost done. Now we have to change the color of our text. And for that, we will apply Fill effect on every layer. Colors are the most important part of this effect. And that's why I have already created my color scheme. So I will import my color scheme. Bring it down in the composition and move it on the top. Now we will start changing the color of our text. We will do this for all the layers. There are also numbers written below the color, so if you want the same color scheme, you can copy-paste it very easily. My text is blue, that's the reason all my colors are in the range of blue. Once we are done, we can delete the color scheme layer. And let's see how it looks. So we have created our animation. Now we will create our background. And for that, we will go in Layer, New, Solid. And we'll name this layer as background. And we will change the color of it. I will select something which is near to blue. We will make another solid. And name this as background 2. And we'll change the color of this as well. On the background 2 layer, we will create an ellipse mask. And we will feather this. I think we should make the background more dark, so that our text is more visible. So now, let's move the background layers to the bottom. I'm changing my background colors again. I think I made it too dark. After that, turn on the 3D switch button for all the layers, except the backgrounds. And we will create a new camera. And now, we will animate the Z-axis of the camera. Press P for position, and you can see the 3-axis dimensions, X, Y, and Z. And we will animate the Z-axis. I am on the last frame, so I want the animation to zoom out slowly. And in between, I want the animation to be in front of the camera, so I will increase the size of it. And move this keyframe to the start. So we have finished everything. Let's add motion blur and see how it looks. So we are done here. One more thing you can do is select the top layer and bring it in front of the camera. And let's see how it looks now. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more tutorials. And like us on Facebook for regular updates. See you next time.